LCD or plasma TV. Installing an LCD or plasma bracket is not a job to be taken lightly. Allowing proper preparation and ensuring you have the correct tools for the job will help avoid expensive mistakes. Tools required for installing a television bracket include a drill, a screwdriver, a tape measure, a hammer, a pencil, a spirit level, and a stud finder. Most importantly, make sure you read the manufacturer's instructions thoroughly. Once you have familiarized yourself with the instructions, make sure that all parts listed in the manual are present. The easiest part of the installation is fixing the mounting strips or plate to the back of your LCD or plasma. If your television includes a pedestal stand, we suggest leaving the television attached to the pedestal for this part of our guide. Once the television is in a suitable position, mount the strips or plate to the back of the television with the supplied bolts. This will enable you to measure exactly where the television will be situated once installed. Measure from the bottom of the television to the top of the mounting strips. This will allow you to use this measure. The ideal position of your television should be at eye level when seated. Mark the position of the bottom of the television on the wall, and this will show you where you need to mount your bracket. Make sure you have checked the wall for any hidden electrical cabling. You can use any live wire detector which are available at hardware stores. If you are installing on a stud wall, ensure that you locate a suitable stud to use. Once you have checked for mains cables or located a suitable stud to use, offer the bracket up to the wall. Once it is levelled with the use of a spirit level, mark the screw hole positions in pencil on the wall. Using these pencil marks, drill holes into the wall and insert the supplied wall plugs. When mounting a bracket onto masonry or brickwork, it is best to first drill smaller pilot holes. This enables easier drilling of the final mounting holes with a larger drill bit. Offer the bracket up